Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're comparing two drones that could either make you feel like a tech-savvy pilot or a confused pigeon, the ATTOP drone on the left and the TENSSENX GPS drone on the right. Buckle up, because this comparison is about to take off. All right, starting with the camera quality. On the left, we have the ATTOP drone, flaunting a 1080p camera with a 120 degrees field of view. It's like the selfie stick of the skies, perfect for capturing those Instagrammable moments. But hold on to your propellers, because the TENSSENX GPS drone on the right is packing a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability. That's right, it's like comparing a potato to a Picasso. Reviewers agree that while ATTOP's camera is decent for casual use, TENSSENX's camera quality is on another level, making your aerial shots look cinematic. Now, let's talk battery life. The ATTOP drone comes with 3 batteries, giving you 30 minutes of flight time. Not bad, right? You can buzz around your backyard like a nosy neighbor. But then, TENSSENX swoops in with 2 batteries, offering a whopping 46 minutes. That's almost enough time to forget where you started. Reviewers note that while ATTOP's battery life is decent, TENSSENX's extended flight time is a major plus, allowing for longer, uninterrupted sessions. Next up, smart features. The ATTOP drone has some nifty tricks: voice control, gesture selfies, and the ability to draw a route on its app. It's like having a personal aerial assistant, minus the coffee runs. On the other hand, TENSSENX brings in the big guns with GPS auto-return home, follow me mode, waypoint flying, and point of interest. It's basically the drone equivalent of a butler with a GPS. Reviewers appreciate ATTOP's fun features, but highlight TENSSENX's advanced functionalities as game changers, especially for those prone to losing their drones. For ease of use, ATTOP is a solid contender with 1 key return, altitude hold, and headless mode, making it so simple, even your grandma could give it a whirl. But TENSSENX doesn't lag behind. It's got 1 key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and optical flow positioning. Reviewers mention that both drones are user-friendly, but TENSSENX's additional features provide that extra layer of convenience and control. Lastly, let's talk portability. ATTOP's foldable design and carrying case make it easy to take anywhere. It's the ultimate travel buddy, minus the annoying road trip playlists. TENSSENX, though, is less than 250 grams and doesn't even need FAA registration. It's like the James Bond of drones: sleek, portable, and ready for action without the paperwork. Reviewers love ATTOP's portability, but are particularly impressed with TENSSENX's lightweight design, making it hassle-free to carry around. Summing up the reviews, the ATTOP drone is praised for being user-friendly, portable, and having a decent camera, but some users reported issues with durability and battery life. On the other hand, the TENSSENX GPS drone is lauded for its superior camera quality, extended flight time, and advanced features, although it can be affected by wind, and some users found certain features tricky to use. Overall, both drones have their strengths and cater to different user needs. So there you have it, smart buyers. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with decent features, the ATTOP drone is your sidekick. But if you want to splurge a bit for top-notch camera quality, longer flight time, and advanced smart features, the TENSSENX GPS drone is your sky-high hero. Either way, you'll be soaring in style. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly high and buy smart.